Hello, today we are going to rhyme. We're going to practice the first sound in words and we are going to blend sounds together to make words. I will say a word and then two more words. Tell me which of these two words rhymes with my first word. Which word rhymes with steep, sweep, stuff? Steep, sweep. They both have eep. Which word rhymes with snuck, snow, stuck? Snuck, stuck. They both have uck. Which word rhymes with small? Stall, stand. Small, stall. They both have all. Which word rhymes with spray? Spring, sway. Spray, sway. They both have way. Which word rhymes with sweet? Sleet, smoke. Sweet, sleet. They both have eat. Okay, for our next activity, I want you to tell me the first blend in these words. So I'll say a word and let's say the first blend. Start, st, spoil, sp, small, sm, snack, sn, swam, sw, sky, sk, stool, st, speed, sp, smudge, sm, snout, sn, switch, sw, skin, sk. All right, our last activity, I will say sounds and let's blend them together to make a word. What would this word be? Smooth, smooth, swell, swell, spike, spike, stop, stop, sneak, sneak, still, still, skate, skate, speed, speed. Good work today.